Welcome to Pure Sunset Beach, ocean view room in Pattaya. Ready to escape to paradise? You can book your stay directly through the QR code that's appearing now, or check out the link in the description below for more details. Imagine waking up to breathtaking ocean views in this stunning apart hotel located just a kilometer from the beautiful Saray beach. Pure Sunset Beach offers everything you need for an unforgettable getaway. The convenient location in Najambian means you're perfectly positioned to explore the best of the area, all while enjoying the peace and tranquility of beachfront living with direct access to a private beach area. The hotel features a sparkling infinity pool where you can relax and soak up the sun. The property is designed with family in mind, offering family rooms to cater to everyone's needs. Getting around is easy with the included lift access. Every room is designed for comfort, offering a terrace to enjoy the sea views. Each room boasts a comfortable seating area, a flat-screen TV to unwind with, and free Wi-Fi access throughout. You'll find a fully equipped kitchen complete with a microwave, a fridge, a stovetop, kitchenware, and a kettle. Prepare your own meals with ease and enjoy them with views of the ocean. Each private bathroom is equipped with a bidet and a hairdryer. You'll stay cool and comfortable with air conditioning in every unit, and ample storage space is provided with a wardrobe. Whether you're a golf enthusiast wanting to visit the nearby Eastern Star Golf Course, which is 26 kilometers away, or Emerald Golf Resort, located 30 kilometers away, or you're just looking to relax and unwind, you'll find plenty to enjoy. The Utapao Rayong Pattaya International Airport is conveniently located 21 kilometers away, making your arrival and departure a breeze. Plus, you'll have the convenience of free private parking. Ready to book your dream vacation? Don't forget to scan the QR code now to secure your stay at Pure Sunset Beach, Ocean View Room in Pattaya.